How long were you at Solantis?
2.5 years.
Did you make your payment today? $150? You committed to $150 last time we talked.
What's the status of your license now?
Valid.
As of when?
It's been valid for over a year.
Got any job prospects right now?
Just had an interview yesterday, last night at 8 p.m. I'm waiting to hear back from them.
What do they do?
Great Lakes Wine and Spirit, supervisor for them.
What, like a warehouse?
Yes.
Where they at?
Island Park.
Full time, I hope.
Time.
Good. When they gonna let you know?
They said by the end of today or Monday, I believe.
Still can't believe this.
They don't. All I know is it's valid.
Yeah, but it doesn't tell. Oh, here it is. Yeah, they're getting disposition guilty to a speeding ticket. They don't plead guilty to a speeding ticket.
Was it something else that they pled down to? Wait, let me see it.
Well, the answer is no accident. Yeah, guilty, no proof of insurance.
It's just their way of saying.
Terrible.
They used to be so simple. All right, Mr. Smith, is there anything else you want to tell me before I sentence you today? All right, on this file, normally on drove license suspended charges, I issue fines and costs, usually about $500. In your case, it would be more because we got a bunch of late fees, so probably at least another $150. Plus, I do some work days as an alternative to jail because it's a 93-day misdemeanor. All right. You're already so deep into us. Currently, you owe us $2,400 on stuff before we even get to today's file. So what I'm going to do is on today's file, I'm just going to tell you 8 days work program, you're done. You don't owe us any money on this file. You got a payment plan set up at $150 a month on the $2,400 you already owe. So go down, schedule work days, bang them right out, get done. So when somebody gives you a chance to a job, you're not telling them, well, I can't work next Monday because I got to go to work program. So bang out 8 days on this file, and that closes that file out with no money. Got it? You pick the schedule, then you show up here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Not 8:20, not 8:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. All right? So if you can get through 8 days with no problems, this file's done. No jail time, no more money. That's in this case, it's about $800. It's about $100 a day I'm giving you from what I would normally do. All right? You got it?
Yeah.
Good luck. The other thing you can do is, and it's the same counter where you're going to schedule your work days, ask Mr. Taylor, he's the best dressed guy in the building, Avery Taylor. Ask him if he knows of any jobs in the area that you might want to go put in some paper on, because he's got a list. All right, good luck. Yeah, it'd be nice to get a good job closer to Highland Park.
Yes.
What'd you say, Highland Park? Yeah, you're welcome.
I couldn't.
See, here's another one. What describes your way of thinking? Logical, intuitive, emotional, big picture, practical. I consider myself to be a big picture, practical thinker. And that's both of us.
Right.
Yeah, some good soup.
I'm sure that they do.
They make a really good potato soup.
I remember. Worked at the airport one time for some like fire and grill place. And he had to make potato soup in real time. Recipe. It was so good, that and they're chili. It was awesome. And so he was.
Pardon me, formal hearing, Ahmed, H-A-M-E-D. It looks like he worked out a deal with the process.
I probably don't even have a file.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
No, if it's a formal, you have a file.
H-A-M-A-D.
I don't even have an A file.
H.
H. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were Ahmed. Hakeem?
There you go. Prosecution, if you don't understand, then he'll come in and explain.
I think I got it.
Sir, come on up right to the podium, please.
Heather?
I'm assuming that he was found responsible at the info. Because what prosecutor said is re-abstract the original offense off defendant's record. He's already posted or pleaded the fine.
Yes, yes, it was
Responsible.
responsible. He paid the $195.
Just hook it over to double pumpkin.
parking.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna change that to a double parking, so it's just between you and the cash register. You've already paid, so it's not even gonna abstract. Secretary of State's not gonna have anything on it. So Secretary of State's gonna look like this charge just got dismissed. Got it?
Oh, it's on his record.
It is because we abstract.
This is, but the double parking won't be.
No, yeah, right.
Right.
But the original charge is on his record. So
Yeah, because he was found responsible
they'll pull it up.
right now. Yeah. You're welcome. Have a great day. I gotta find my wallet.
When you wanna,
Give me a name.
okay, let's start with Charles Baker.
Got him right on top.
Next would be Carter, Andrew Carter.
You're coming alphabetically?
I'm doing it.
Oh, okay.
Make life a little easier, I guess.
Yeah.
And then I got Jessica Derry,
DA,
DE.
DE?
Mhm.
Yep, got it.
And then I got Mr. Ellis, Jeffrey Ellis.
A, B, C, D.
Thank you.
All right.
Mr. Bowden's speak.
Yep. Mr. Baker, stay where you're at. We're gonna get you a date to come back, give you a paper notice. Andrew Carter, come on up with Mr. Bowditch. Good morning. Counsel, your appearance.
Record. Jeffrey Bodge, appearing on behalf of Mr. Carter. Your Honor, today's date time for an arraignment in this matter before the meeting stand. We've also had a chance to retry this case. We do have an executing plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. Carter will be pleading guilty in an handicap, a civil infraction of careless driving, with the understanding the original charge of reckless driving would be dismissed.
All right. True? All right. Fines a cost $500. Can you pay it today or do you need options? Go downstairs and talk about the options. They'll give you all the options downstairs and then just walk out with a plan. You're welcome. Next one I've got is Derry.
I am running for the record, Jeffrey Bouch, appearing on behalf of Mr. Terry, who's approaching.
Miss Derry, I've got a piece of paper here that says you're going to plead responsible to double parking. If I accept your plea, the misdemeanor from February 8 would be dismissed. Is that the way you want to resolve this? Fines a cost $150. Can you pay it today? Go downstairs, get a cashier smile, and be on your way. Enjoy your day. I've got one more, Mr. Bowditch. Ellis.
Your Honor, for the record,
With the other guy, find it.
Jeffrey Bouch, appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Jeffrey Ellis. Sir, could you tell the judge your name for the record, please?
I'm Dr. William Ellis.
Thank you.
I think is taking on except for arraignment in this matter, way forward. Stand here. Well said, we try this case, Your Honor. We have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In this agreement, Mr. Ellis, he pleading guilty to the charge of fighting with the understanding the matter is taken under statute 771.1 for a period of 6 months. If Mr. Ellis complies with all the court's wishes, at that matter, the court will consider dismissal of these charges.
Thank you. All right, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the charge of fighting? Up to $500 fines plus court costs, up to 93 days in jail. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today? All right. On February 6, 2026, were you fighting with Mr. Ciotti in Huron Township?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept your guilty plea. Anything you want me to know before I sentence you? No magic answer. I'm just giving you a chance to share whatever you want to.
At this point, I'm sorry, and I'm very confused at what happened, very confused at what's going on.
Okay.
I'm sorry for wasting everybody's time here, but
We're all getting paid, sir.
I understand that I'm not. So,
All right, so I don't want you walking out of here confused. You've been charged with a crime. Today's the date and time for a pretrial. So we've given you an attorney, you've talked to the attorney, you tell me you understand your rights and options. Now you have to make a decision what you want to do with the criminal case. You can take a deal. They've offered you a plea under a delayed sentence, which would keep it off your criminal record, or you can set it for trial. Still confused where you're at?
No, sir.
Okay.
Going for the A option.
Okay, all right. So anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you today? All right, so I'm gonna go along with the prosecutor. I'll delay sentence for 6 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal charges. You have no contact with Mr. Ciotti, no phone calls, no letters. You see him at Taco Bell, you eat at Burger King. Just nothing, no gestures in the roadway, none of that stuff, just as if he didn't exist. Can you do that? Court costs are assessed in the amount of $500. Can you pay that today? Go downstairs and get your options explained.
So, where do I go from here? Last piece.
Court collection. Can't find discussion in court officer.
Very good, true.
And Mr. Gregg, you're just waiting for a minute.
Yeah.
I'll get you on the phone here. Can I ask your guys' opinion on something?
Sure. You're probably overreacting, but we'll downplay it.
So, no, it's just from my experience being a patrol. And I'm not knocking any part of it, but apparently, they're last minute, they ordered.
On what?
Dessert.
Yeah.
Because
They ordered cupcakes.
Oh, you wanted donuts? You walked right into it. You walked right into it. It's like slow pitch.
oh.
You see my point?
What the hell do they cost?
Not the cost.
They can lick it, they
They
can
can
touch
tamp.
it, they can.
Oh,
If somebody's having a bad day or had a bad day here, they could do anything.
Your side, a lot of other people aren't, obviously. I did have a DoorDash one time and it was a latte and I never thought about it. Thank you for putting this at 9, but I did drink.
well, hold on. His concern today is more valid than yours.